Do you think that Elmo likes riding Sophie?
Yeah.
He looks pretty happy.
I can make cheese.
And Sophie doesn't seem too phased
I
either.
make cheese like that. I make cheese, Mom.
You're making cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made pee-pee, Mom.
Oh, that's good. You know, when you think you have to make pee-pee, you should tell us, and then we'll bring you to the potty. But it's because you know you made pee-pee.
Hold on it.
You're going to hold on to your pee-pee?
Yeah.
Why? What does that do?
Hold on it.
But what? Why? You're holding on to your pee-pee diaper just so it doesn't fall?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Well, we can change your diaper.
Hold on. Me too.
You're holding on?
Yeah.
Is this some kind of new fad? What about using the potty, guys?
We hold on it.
Holding on to your pee.
I hold on your body, okay?
You're gonna hold on to. Wait a second. What's going on here? Why are you holding on to Dylan's pee diaper?
Pepper.
What does that do? And I love during this whole thing how Elmo is still on Sophie's back. Today is Sunday, and I have a cold, and I sound horrible. But I was gonna vlog a little bit today. I did some footage yesterday, so because I didn't do a full vlog yesterday, I think we'll just flash back. What? What's up? Cheese is ready. All right. Well, let me just tell the vlog folks a few things. So, right now I'm gonna flash back to yesterday's swimming lesson. That was around this time yesterday morning.
We're adding a layer of sparkle.
You like getting your toes painted?
I love sparkles.
Are you a sparkle girl?
I love sparkles.
Is it pretty? You want it on all of your toes? Now you know what you need to do while it dries. You need to sit very quietly.
I think Mommy has found her pedicure pals.
Mm-hmm.
I love that.
You love it?
Yeah.
Does it tickle your toes or no?
Look how pretty. Show Mom.
Oh, sparkles.
I love sparkles.
You love sparkles. Nice.
Let's finish your other toes.
No.
Called
I hate them too.
Pretty New York City.
You got yours done yesterday. Very
Really
nice.
yours carnation with a little bit of OPI sparkle on top.
Oh, fancy. You have several layers.
But you have to let it dry. Don't touch your nails, okay? Now, you know what Carly did yesterday to help it dry? She sat at the table very quietly with her iPad.
Oh, that's a good
Do
idea.
you want to do that?
No.
You want to sit here quietly with your iPad? Or you want to watch a show while you sit here?
No. My favorite girl.
Careful. Because your toes are wet, remember? You have to be you have to sit quietly while they dry.
Drying your toes.
We go to the nail salon, and no one does that. That's just a mommy thing.
More?
Wow, that's called personalized attention. Can you imagine if they did that at the nail salon?
That would be strange.
Okay.
But they're still a little wet.
Ew.
What's that? That's new.
She was just teasing. I want to be under the sea. Charlie, look at the rain outside. Feel it?
Muddy puddles. Dylan, where you at? Wow, you're so wet. You're so wet. Muddy puddles.
We got island cuties in the dancing in the rain.
It's cute.
I love it.
You're all wet.
She said, I love it, I think. She said, I love it? Is that what you said?
Again. Open.
Dylan,
No, Mom.
you're
leave it
getting
open.
soaked.
Are you coming in or out?
I think that's enough fun in the rain.
All right.
I think
One
that's
more
enough.
time, and then we're gonna finish it up.
It's raining a little too hard now.
You going out, Carly, or are you staying in? One more time, and then we're gonna shut the door. It's getting too much.
Just getting soaked inside.
All right, come on in now. That's enough.
All right, all done.
Last time. Good job.
Woohoo!
That was fun. Do you need to take off your wet clothes?
I think we need, yes, we do.
Do you want to go take a bubble bath?
A bubble bath?
You want to go take a bath?
Lily's coming to visit you. We just did bath time, and yeah, we did like an afternoon bath after playing in the rain. I am still not feeling well. I think I sound worse though than I actually feel. Like I just have like something in my like lungs. Like I had a cold and now it's like moved to my chest. I have no idea. Anyway, so the girls are watching Peppa and we're just having a really lazy Sunday, and it's pretty fun. We're watching Peppa right now. So remember I said I was doing like flashback to yesterday, like what we did yesterday. So this time yesterday, we had gone to lunch and then we went to our local town day to experience that, and it was fun. And the girls got their first, what's it called, like a balloon figure, balloon animal. They got a balloon turtle. Anyway, it was cool. So here's a little bit of that.
Turtle goes on your arm.
Love that.
Oh, cool.
Wow, watch this. Oh, it's a
Cool.
Say thank you.
Another one?
That's turtle.
That is beautiful.
Very cool.
Thank you. Match everywhere. Thank you. Ooh, you have a flower.
Nice. Thank you so much.
That's so cute.
So the girls just woke up from a nap. Mart's in there getting them. I took a shower. I'm still not feeling the best. So this is just one of those Sundays where we're just hanging out inside. I think we're going out to dinner with my parents later. It was raining out today, so not a nice day at all. You saw that earlier. And yeah, so the day moves onward. Okay, so we just got done with our dinner and it is crazy out here. There's some major storm coming through. And so we just pulled over.
It's better now.
While Mart checks the weather. Your hair got soaking wet just getting in the car. Oh my
I
gosh.
actually had to pat down my face.
It was raining like crazy.
It was literally like, I walked out
that's
and there was a massive bucket of water and someone just went,
Well, thank you for getting in the car. That was really nice of you.
I didn't mind.
Since
I
I'm not
couldn't
feeling
believe
well.
how wet I got.
This is the future. That doesn't look any better. Very cool, guys. Those are really some nice looking boots. And they fit good?
They're like big, but they're not too big. Splash in the puddle and then come back to mommy.
Jump and splash.
Go on, Dylan. Go, Carly. Go on, Dylan, and then come back and get dry. Ready? Do it. They're just weird to walk in, I think.
That looked like fun.
Good job. What?
Muddy puddles.
It'd be more fun if you fell in it.
Oh gosh, don't say that.
Back in the car. I just want to get sick. You want me to put the car away? The car's not open. We're going to stay here. All right, I'm going to count to 5, and then it's time to go back inside. So jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time to go in and get dry. Quick, it's starting to rain really hard. Yeah.
You've had some good mud on your shoes. Fun, fun, fun. Time to get dry. Sophie's like, hey, I want to go out there.
Sophie wouldn't like it out there. That's it.
She thinks she would.
So easy to take off.
No, my boots.
Okay, sit down.
My boots are on.
You want
You can't leave mine. Those are for outdoors.
See, they're all
And
wet.
go to the.
They're outdoor boots. They come off once we come
See how
inside.
Carly took hers off? That's what you need to do too.
And
Here.
take it back. What?
Okay. They're nervous now.
Hi,
Come
baby.
here. Come closer.
Oh.
Doesn't that feel good? Warm air. It's like a. You gotta come a little closer, Carly. Come closer to me. You feel it?
You're so far away.
You
You're volunteering, Carly.
I see how it is. You just pushed your sister first.
Come here. Nice and warm. Does that feel good? See? Feels good.
Yummy ice cream. What kind are you having? Mint chocolate chip? I got mint chocolate.
cookie.
I got that for you, thinking you might like the green stuff.
Well, this is what we had already. Mint
Fun.
chocolate cookie.
Oh, I thought it was a gelato I got.
I know.
Nice.
I wanted to finish this first. Do you need a little help, Dylan?
Yeah.
Okay, here, Carly.
It's bedtime. Yes. Yes.